Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, there has been rumors, okay? People are gossiping about other people's salaries. And while they are gossiping like this, they are sitting at home not knowing where their next salary is going to come from, okay guys? And I am one of those people, guys. Times are hard, times are hard. So like, I don't understand where people get the energy to gossip about other people's salaries, knowing very well that they themselves don't have the means, don't have the salary. So someone on Facebook posted about the salary of Izingane's Tembu crew. I don't know where that person got the information from, but guys, that amount is not even that bad to even gossip about, because a lot of people are not getting any salaries, guys, any salaries. So now people are gossiping that they are getting paid so little while they are going through the most. So this person posted, it's a gossip page on Facebook. They said apparently they get paid 25k each per season after putting their entire lives on social media and the bullying they endure after the show. 25k is a joke, guys. People don't even get paid that much. Like, people are going through the most, and I understand that this 25k might be too small for the whole season. But Kesana, they didn't force anyone to take this gig. They didn't force them to be on the reality show. Before you get there, you read the contract. So you already know how much you're going to get paid. So now they are saying that allegedly these people get paid 25k while they are putting themselves in danger, while they are putting themselves out there to be bullied by people on social media. Even if you are not putting yourself out there, people will always have something negative about you to say. People will always have bad things to say about you. What I like about them is that yes, they are putting themselves out there, but they have gained a lot of exposure, guys. They have gained a lot of exposure, like exposing their brands, exposing themselves. Even if they would start businesses right now, the business would flourish. Why? Because they already have an audience. Example, Vuyokazi and Tirelo, they got the gigs for doing hair. Umpumelelo just started a new business. Like, people, they are just gaining exposure, guys, to do what they want to do. Even Usne was invited on a podcast for the first time. So they are exposing themselves. I really would take the opportunity just to put myself out there and then use it to my advantage, like start a business or start something. At least now I have a following, I have an audience, and I'm well known. So I really don't think it's a bad thing. But please do let us know in the comments section, what do you think of this rumor that they allegedly get paid 25,000 rand per season? And yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I will see you on my next one.